Multiple department folders, countless scattered PDFs. AI File Pro organizes your chaos instantly. Traditional file management requires manually navigating through multiple folder levels, management, engineering, sales, just to locate basic departmental documents your team needs. Watch AI File Pro instantly reorganize thousands of your files. Select any criteria, departments, dates, projects, status, clients, cases, locations, and see real-time results instantly transform your document chaos into perfect order. Left, cluttered flat folders. Right, AI File Pro's intelligent hierarchy. Find your documents 50% faster with smart organization. Ask natural language questions. Get instant, accurate answers with cited sources, transforming how your team finds information in seconds. Transform chaos into clarity. Start organizing your files instantly, free.